Hello and welcome everyone to episode 33 of Botsplash TV. I'm Willem Mosic, and today I'll be going over one of the latest features to be unveiled on the Botsplash customer engagement platform called Bookme. Bookme is an appointment scheduler that is now available for Botsplash users. The app allows users to set up meeting options for people to select in accordance with their own availability. Under My Account, Botsplash users can select meetings and from there create a variety of meeting types for others to be able to quickly schedule a meeting with them. A new meeting can be customized with a new name and a color identifier, and meeting descriptions can be formulated however a user wishes it to be. Meeting durations can be set anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours, and the options for web conferences and also private meetings can also be selected. Meeting hours can be set to include any and all days of the week, and all US time zones are offered for Botsplash users regardless of where they might be in the States. If you'd like to know more about Bookme, feel free to check out my QR code and check out my personal Bookme page and schedule a meeting with me there. I'm Willem Mosic. Thank you for watching Botsplash TV.